All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. Over this weekend, many people were profiting in the chat. If you want to become a student, I do offer one-to-one mentorship or have a course for anyone that doesn't have too much time. If you just want to be part of the chat, all the links that you need are found in the description and comment section below. So you can either just become a member and join the chat or actually take action and become a student. How's it going, everyone? It's Lou Crypto here. I'm back with another Pepe update for you all. We can see that over the last few weeks that Pepe has been actually holding the daily 20 EMA, so respecting the uptrend. But we're going to get a decision very soon, guys, because this 12 EMA over here is acting as a resistance, and at some point these two lines, if we extended them, will eventually meet. That's called an apex where they meet, and so before they meet there will be a huge breakout in either direction. So whether that's to the downside or to the upside remains to be seen, but like this is acting like as an immediate short-term trend. So if we can actually push through that, it starts the uptrend. Currently it's trying to send us down. This is what's keeping us in this potential uptrend. Just need to close above that for continuation or close below this for retest of this resistance and this area over here, looking for continuation lower. It starts a newly formed downtrend, which we've not seen Pepe in fact on the daily time frame begin. In fact, on the daily time frame, we're holding an immediate uptrend. That is what the daily 20 EMA is actually signaling. So for the coming weeks and months, it should actually remain going up as long as we're maintaining this area over here. So very quickly we can lose it, and then you start now a downtrend that could last weeks and months. So we don't really want that to be the case, because you know that will absolutely kill not just Pepe in the short term, but all the other meme coins are going to get absolutely wrecked, just as they have been. But Pepe was just correcting to key levels of support. Makes sense. This is where the 20 daily first appeared, and that is exactly on the reversal candlestick pattern that we see over here, and currently holding ever since a good few weeks later. Now let's head over to the 4-hour time frame. I mentioned this in my group chat the other day, I think also in this video, that the 200 EMA appeared on the 4-hour time frame for the very first time on this red candlestick. We see that we did actually have a pump, but failing to actually close above the 55 daily 4-hour EMA. You could even argue now this could be a potential head and shoulders pattern, so we would need to see a close below this 4-hour body candle close here at, I'm going to say, the numbers without the zeros, so 15,100. So we would need to see a 4-hour close below 15,100, and we know that we're going to start this journey down to the 200 EMA here at 12,750. This would be on that last red candle before this pump up over here, and the longer it takes to come down, this will of course continue to rise, as yesterday was actually a bit lower. And now if we turn on the drawings and zoom in, there was a little rising wedge which I was talking about with one of the students, and with the breakouts it's just trying to come up back to where it was. So of course a small one. You could even say it was a double bottom pattern over here. This is your neckline, one bottom, second bottom. Let's see if it actually met the pattern's target, and we can see the target was actually met over here. Oh, my mistake, I keep knocking my cup. Zooming back out. Yeah, so what we need to see is, of course, although this bullish pattern has formed, we've already met the target, and the target was, again, we met the target and we've closed beneath the 55, so we could actually have this head and shoulders pattern setting up over here. The target, I guess, would be the 200 EMA, so this would be the more conservative target. Yes, we can see by the time it actually does reach down there, we can see that this would be dragging up. The more aggressive target would in fact be from that wick, and I think that would actually take us beyond the 200 EMA, so that would signal coming actually lower than it, back down to around this area. So we need to see how it plays out. I would be using the 200 EMA as my signal, just to see, will it hold that, will it lose that. This is going to decide the true trend. So although at the moment we could actually break out of this potential head and shoulders over here, you can of course meet the target and then reverse. Okay, not only that, let me look at the fibs now for you guys. So from this low to this high, let's see where the targets are. Yeah, so look, we've got confluence with the targets over here, saying that if we do lose the low of this range, that we could be coming to the minimal target at 1272, the 1414 and the 1618 would be your final target. But as you can see, the 200 EMA is slightly above, so I would expect that it's either just the 1272 or the 1414 that would be retested. Again, because we are essentially in this uptrend from the very get-go of Pepe, I would actually be using conservative targets to the downside. So I'd be taking from the highest body close back down to the neckline, and so it would be signaling for this target. Let's now place those fibs together and see if we got the 1272 and the 1414 acting as confluence with that 200 EMA on this area over here. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing going forward for Pepe. Again, guys, while still holding above this neckline, this is not going to happen. Although we are beneath the moving averages, technically speaking, this is in an immediate short-term downtrend and should actually continue to this price point over here. But for the moment, we are still holding the previous all-time high as support. So this is what's stopping us from actually meeting these targets down here. So any break above the moving averages right now will send us back up to our inverse head and shoulders neckline. And again, if we were to ever break out and meet the target, this will send us back up to the previous all-time high over here, to our current all-time high, my mistake. So this would be like a over 100% move from today's current price. Back up to the target would be a 140% move, and to the high about a 190% move. Let me know in the comment section below what you personally think. If you want to join my group chat, my Discord community, or become a student, whether you want to do the course in your own time or become a mentorship student, you're going to get my chat for free for 3 months. Then you can decide whether you want to stay or not. But you're also going to get my course included. All the links that you need are found in the description and comment section below. You can also find my Twitter link there, so just hit my Twitter link if you want to private message me more about it. As I had a student yesterday who took action on the mentorship, actually take action through the Twitter. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next Pepe update. Cheers.